Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy messy fan bun that's going to take you less than 10 minutes, and you're only going to need 3 items: your brush, a hair tie, and some bobby pins. So keep on watching. First thing you have to do is brush your hair back into a high pony on the back of your head, and you're going to secure that with an elastic. I like to get mine pretty high up. That way it gives me a bit more volume, and I like my bun pretty high on the top of my head. I wrap my hair elastic around a couple times, but on the last go, I actually leave a tail, and this is how you get your fan on the top of your head. Then I split the tail into 2 sections, and I twist each section and wrap it around the ponytail to the back, and I bobby pin it. After I've done that on both sides, then I take a couple bobby pins and I go over both. I pin down each side of the fan bun, plus I stick a bobby pin down the center back of the bun, because this is what helps keep it sticking up on the top of your head. You can really bobby pin it however it makes you feel comfortable and secure. I like to keep mine a bit messy, and I also like to pin the front of the 2 loops together a little bit in the front to almost close the fan and make it a complete circle, kind of sitting up on the top of my head. And there you have it, a completed messy fan bun, which is perfect for any holiday party you have going on, or just a great hairstyle if you haven't washed your hair.